What is UI or UX? We often use these two words called as UI and UX whenever we design a website or a mobile application. In simple words, UX is nothing but user experience, and it gives a detail about the overall experience the user has while using our application or our website. While user interface or UI is nothing but the interaction between the user and the device or our application. User interface tells us about the look, feel, interactivity of the user with our application. In user interface or UI, the designer will think about icons, button, typography, and color gradients.